Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to show you everything I learned so far with one monster and the great games, My DeFi Pet, that's run on Cardano Chain and Binance Smart Chain. It's very interesting game that will eventually combine the powerful technology of DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFTs. So really insane. So just before to keep going with everything I learned so far with one monster, I want you to take a couple of action for this great channel, my friend, for the love of crypto and coffee. The first step, my friend, is subscribe right now. Psh, psh, psh. Smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Psh, psh, psh. Leave a nice comment below about My DeFi Pet or other blockchain game you want me to cover on this channel. Go for it. Leave a nice comment below. Don't be shy. As well, press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every day from Monday through Sunday. I just decided to downgrade to 5 videos a week because 7 is too much on my plate at the moment in my current life. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, in the street, at school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions. So as you can see, let's go back to My DeFi Pet. As you can see, I am on the game right now, and you see a big shovel. So what's that mean? So you can harvest you seed that you plant, because you need to invest a lot of time to increase the amount of silver token you make on the game, because this you need to do a lot of things with this token to upgrade your component, to upgrade the stuff. So you need to emphasize that point in the beginning. So as you can see, I discovered this. You just click on this say the farm hours, you click harvest alls, and then everything you just need to click, and then you're going to collect this bag of money or this bag of seed. And as well you levels your the bar here, because the more higher you are, the more the chance you can upgrade your cage and upgrade your cage and all the stuff like that. So you need to work a lot to emphasize. You need to work on this and to emphasize to upgrade your component. So right now I am almost level 9. So how to do upgrade? So basically you just click on your farm here, and now I plant seed about plant 3, and then I'm going to wait 5 minutes to collect. But another great thing, when you're offline of the game and you put your monster on a cage, as you can see, I collected 8,000 silver, and it's increased to 30,000. So what is cool, you need to click on the wyvern cage here. You click, and you see the capacity when you're offline, how much you can maximize or collect, the maximum you can collect offline while you're away of your computer. So on this cage, capacity 3 monster, and you can collect, the cage can hold until 8,000 silver coin here. And the more upgrade you do, the more silver you can hold in the cage. So how you upgrade your cage? Very easy. So you click on the incubator here, you go on the plus sign, then you have the cage. As you can see, unlock more at level 10. So right now I'm just level 8. So that's why I'm working at the moment. Just before to invest more and to have more monster, I decided just to upgrade my components. So I'm working on my level here. I'm almost level 9. Probably I'm going to reach it probably before tomorrow, probably today or tomorrow. And then when I'm going to reach level 10, I will be able to unlock at level 10 here the barbarian cage, the friend cage, and the insert cage. As well, at higher level, I have the wyvern cage as well, level 10, and then require level 18. And you have as well the building. So this is really important, the farm plot, because the more farm plot you have, the more seed you can put, and the more money you're going to collect with the farm seed. I know this the bag seed here and the silver token. So that's why I'm working hard to at least reach level 12 or even better than that. I want to maximize. I want to reach the Chimero cage at level 18 right now. So another great thing that I just learned the hard way. So how to maximize your cage. So you can upgrade your cage, but when you want to upgrade your cage, you need silver coin, and this is really important to work hard to increase the amount of silver coin you can make or produce on daily hour, on every hours. I mean, because as you can see, if I require level 12 as well, I upgrade this cage, I'm going to be able to hold 12,000 silver coin, and then just for the upgrade it costs me 30,000 silver coin, and I require level 12. So that's the reason you need to emphasize in the beginning to work hard to level your level of the games. So the more higher you level, the more higher you can unlock, and the more potential silver coin you're going to make on daily basis or every days. So this is really important as well. If you want to breed, I just read when you start a game and you want to breed two monsters together into the fields of IP Forest, what you need to do, I just read just before to show this video, you need to you can breed only evolve monster. So just to be able to hatch to release a monster, to have an egg, you need to invest 3 D-Pet into the game. So you hatch, but now if you want to evolve, so the only way you can breed 2 monsters together, you need to have 2 monsters that you evolve. So basically just one monster, it costs 3 D-Pet to hatch the egg, and when you want to evolve, you need to invest 3 more D-Pet, so you need to invest 6 D-Pet to evolve a monster. So if you want to breed 2 monsters, you need to invest, you do the math, 3 by 4, because you need to evolve 1 time, so 6 by 2, 12. You need to have at least 12 D-Pet to be able to breed 2 monsters and to reach the evolve stage. So you have a lot to learn in the beginning, and all the features is not yet available. I believe that the game will become more, because the more stuff you add into the game, the more stuff the people need to learn. Just with the stocking that will be available soon, and all the stuff. I just imagine with time this game have a great potential. As you can see right now, I'm going to be able to harvest in a 3, 2, 1, 0. Woohoo! And then I just click, you have the shovel that appear on the farm horse, and then I click harvest all. As you can see, I collect more money, and then I click there. Look at the beautiful things that appear. But just before to close this beautiful episode about My DeFi Pet, as you can see, you have different stage of plan you can plan until to reach strawberries to 150,000 silver coin, and then the carrots, tomatoes, and wheat. Now I have enough to plant about tomatoes 12,000. So I'm going to seed potatoes instead of wheat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then that's it. I have only 1,260 silver coin remaining. But as you can see, it's really important to work to upgrade your farm. So I want to upgrade this one here to be able to hold 12,000, but I need to reach level 12 to be able to do that. But another thing that is really important as well, so as you can see, why I'm going to release 2 things at level 12. So I will have 6 plot. Right now I have 5 plot. Now I'm going to have 6 plot at level 12, and I will be able to upgrade my cage as well. So that's the reason you need to emphasize in the beginning. Don't rush to invest too much money into the game. Try with 1 monster, work your path to upgrade your silver coin, your cage, and component, your farm, and play slowly and slowly. Nothing is worth. Nothing to worry, to rush to be able to maximize your pet. You need to have fun in the beginning to be able to stick with the game. Otherwise, you will give up. So that's the reason I recommend just start with one monster, work on your path to work on to level your levels for the whole game, and to maximize your silver coin you make on every hours or every day, and work on to plant the seed as well. The more higher you can go, the more you can you see. This as well, if you don't have patience, you can just take the gems and then harvest, but I prefer to go to the slow way. I'm not in rush, so 28 minutes I will be able to harvest then my potatoes and eat a great french fry. I'm just teasing you, but the game, My DeFi Pet, has a great potential, as you can see. Just before moving on, and I want to close this, just before to close this beautiful episode about My DeFi Pet, I hope you enjoy it and you discover something interesting into the game. I want you to take a couple of action for this great channel. The first one is subscribe right now. Leave a nice comment below about this My DeFi Pet or other blockchain game you want me to cover. Don't be shy. As well, smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Press bell notification, bing bing bing, to get notified every single week, from every single day from Monday through Friday. I just decided to downgrade at 5 instead of 7. And as well, you can spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and in the street at school. As well, I'm just curious what you think about My DeFi Pet. What kind do you want more content like this? My path toward My DeFi Pet and stuff like that. Don't be shy. Leave a nice comment below. I'm very curious about it. I hope you really enjoy it. See you tomorrow for another great episode about the blockchain technology, crypto, and stuff like that. And have a great day ahead. Ciao, ciao.